US crude got the resistance today at 8.6 and it is trying to fall from here, trying to reverse from here. The next support at 8.5. If it breaks this, what can be expected? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Likewise for NG, NG has reversed from 7.5 levels and it is trying to trade moderately bullish. Now what should be our stance, what should be our strategy for these two instruments today, where we should enter, where we should exit, whether to buy, whether to sell, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do subscribe, like, share and comment. First we'll look into US crude followed with NG, so do watch till the end. And let's start the day. US crude at 885.12 level. See, this is the hourly charts for US crude and you can find this is trying to trade in this channel. That is why I say yes, if you see it trading below 85 levels, it will call for certain stronger bearishness. Still it may get a support at 84.5 and 84. And if today 84 is taken, you can certainly remain short for a stronger drop. See, it is trying to come out of this consolidation channel which it has created and it is traded since long. Now it is likely to give a breakout, so go short at 85 levels. Directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards and this is bearish here. The MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a sell entry here. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you can find it is trying to trade with the support here at 85, which is a very strong support, and this is trying to trade in this channel. And yes, any move below this zone at 85, you can certainly expect that we may see, rather I will say 84.8, below 84.8 you can expect 84.5, 84 as a strong support, and below that you can expect sharp red candles like this, which might bring it till towards 83 and 82 levels. In fact, 80 cannot be denied. Stochastic willing to cross over for a sell. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, lower highs. So yes, in fact, any buy entry, any buy position is only above 86, that is for sure. Above 86 where it can rise, yes, you can see 86.5 and 87 as a stronger resistance. And do not forget, see this last 3 candles where the support 83.5 is a good support here, and this is the channel in which it is trading. So go short here at, or sell here at 85 and below 85, rather I will say 84.8 is a very strong support, and then 84.5 and then 83.5. Below that it may crash heavily. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic is still bullish, trying to converge here. MACD has crossed over for a bullish move. It is trying to cross over, rather it is still giving a very small red candle. Be careful there. RSI looking downwards here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see these 2 candles getting the resistance here. This is indicated a reversal. It is trying to drop from here. Possibly once it drops below 85, you can still expect 84.8 and 84.5 as the 2 support. Below that we may see 84 and 83.5. Mark out these levels. If it breaks below 83.5, you can expect a sharper drop for 82 and then 80 levels. Directional movement moderately bearish. It is trying to diverge again. Stochastic is comfortable. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge, crossover for a bullish move. RSI is looking downwards here with a negative slope. And if you look at the daily charts, lower highs are already done. The support there at 85 is strong, and then 84.8 is strong. Below 84.8 you can certainly expect it to at least come back till towards 83.8, 84, 83.5 levels, and if it drops below this, you can expect equal size of candle which may be equally bearish, which may bring it further till towards 82 and 80 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD not indicative of anything. RSI is trading flat. Considering this, yes, you can go short at 85, but expect 84.8 as a very strong support. So those who want to take a safe trade can go short only at 84.8. Below that 84.5, 84, 83.8 and 83.5. So 83.5 is the next strongest support, and if it breaks below 83.5, you can expect 82 and $80 levels. It can act extremely bearish. Below 83.5 levels, you can expect certain stronger fall. At the same time, the only buy entry is above $86. above 86, still it has got the resistance at 86.2, and then it will try to hit 86.8, 87.2 levels. So go long or buy at 86, 86.2, 86.8, 87.2 are the next resistance, 87.5, and then it will try to fly away till towards 88.4, 89.2 levels. So take your positions accordingly. If you ask me, I am probably looking forward to a bearish stance, and we can see definitely 83.5 levels, and in fact it can try to drop further. We can see a further drop from there. So and let's also have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, last week we have seen moderately bearish move, and now it is trying to fall, and if it breaks below this zone, definitely we can certainly expect a stronger bearish move, which might in fact take it further below 878, 77 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Go short at 85, go long above 86, and trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to put the stop loss at cost. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries at right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch is going to start on 3rd of October. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram channel ID, my personal email ID, and Telegram personal IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can be part of my signals group. Also, you can be part of my Patreon page. The support the effort, become a patron. Only $7 a month. That is the support I'll seek from you all. Definitely, it's a motivation for me. So become a patron. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts on oil. Sorry, NG, and you can find, see, this is trying to trade with this bearish bias. 7.7 is giving it a resistance. Beyond 7.7, again you can go long, and then you can expect it to rise till towards 7.8. This is the very strongest resistance for NG. Above 7.8, and then you can expect that 7.85, 7.98 are going to be a very strong resistance there till $8 levels. Beyond 8, it may fly. So go long above 7.7. At the same time, you must recall, I have told you several times, 7.6 and 7.5 is a very strong support zone for NG. On the hourly charts, it is strongly bearish. The stochastic is again looking downwards, and this may call for a vertical fall there. The MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge, and it is trading with very little, you can say, very diminished bearishness, I will say. That is the term I must use, diminished bearishness. So the bearishness here is diminished, and it is trying to trade within a range, as RSI is also oversold. So be careful. It can give you a bounce back also. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, lower highs are getting seen, support there at 7.6, and yes, if you see it trading above 7.7, go long. You can expect 7.8 as the next target, and beyond that it may give you a stronger rise till towards $8 levels. Be careful. 7.8, 7.9 to $8 levels are going to be the stronger resistance zone. Directional movement extremely bearish. Stochastic is trading at the bottom, and the MACD is trading parallel with diminished bearishness. RSI is oversold. Remember, if it can trade overbought, it can trade oversold also. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, it has created a step and then a fall there, and that is what makes 7.7 as a stronger resistance. In fact, 7.67 below that, it is now looking forward to another round of drop. 7.6 and 7.5 are going to be the next support zone. If it drops below 7.5, you can expect further round of bearishness. Directional movement is extremely bearish. Certain in some point of time from now, today it may start to converge, and hence you can expect a greener candle there. The stochastic trading oversold, and hence a bounce back can be expected. The MACD is trading red, and it is parallel. Possibility of a conversion or bullish move exists, and RSI is trading oversold. On the 4-hour charts, look at the previous two candles. Diminished, smaller body size, or reducing body size, increasing, indicating that the bearishness has diminished. At the same time, one must not forget, this time it is open flat, and it is trying to get the support here. If it tries to reverse here, be careful of 7.7. Beyond that, you can certainly expect the bullishness to be there. Then 7.8 and $8 levels are going to be the next resistance zone, and below 7.6, yes, you can expect a further round of fall till towards 7.5. 7.5 is a very strong support for NG. Directional movement is bearish on the 4-hour charts. Stochastic is oversold on the 4-hour chart. The MACD is extremely bearish. It may start to converge. RSI is oversold. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see it is formed a tail, and it is opened with a flat top, and it is trying to drop from here. See, from here the reversal consideration is only above 7.8. Till 7.8 there are going to be the stronger resistance. So yes, you can go long at 7.7. Still you can find 7.78, 7.82, 7.958 levels as a good resistance. So till $8 levels is a very strong resistance there on the downside. Be careful there. It if even if it tries to rise, it can reverse any point of time till $8 levels, and hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss till $8. On the downside, you can go short at 7.6. Probably you can expect that we may see 7.5 as the support, and then below that 7.38 levels will come into picture. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has come back to the oversold zone again. The MACD is trading divergent and bearish here. The RSI is also trading flat near to bottom. Likewise on the weekly chart, see it has broken the support there at 7.8, and in fact now has come back till towards 7.5 with the next very strong support zone. If it breaks below 7.5, it will call for a good fall till towards $7. Be careful of 7.5 level this week. If you see it trading below 7.5, definitely you can stay short for the rest of the week. I'll expect it to hit $7, and in fact $6.5 levels cannot be denied. So take your positions accordingly. For the day, yes, you should be cautious of 7.6. You can go short at 7.6, or you can sell at 7.6 and then expect it to drop for 7.5 levels. Very strong support. Below that, you may see it dropping for 7.38, 7.3, and then 7.2 and $7 levels cannot be denied. If not today, possibly this week. Till the time it trades below 7.5 this week, you can certainly expect it to drop more. On the upside, be careful of 7.8 levels. So yes, you can go long at 7.7. The next target is 7.8, and then beyond that, the next strongest resistance is 7.98 levels and $8 levels. This zone at $8 level is going to be important, plus minus some tolerance you can definitely keep. That is why I say 7.988, 8.02. This zone is going to be important for NG. If it breaks above this, you can certainly expect that we may see 8.2, 8.4 levels in this week itself. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, go short at 7.6, go long above 7.7. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon and do trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.